5 reasons to plank as a workout. Weight exercises are popular in the fitness world due to their easiness and convenience that allow you to get in shape through your own body weight. Planks are one type of body weight exercise that never get old. This exercise is perfect for those who have a busy life and find it hard to go to the gym due to time constraints. Planking every day, even for 30 seconds or a minute, helps strengthen your core muscles, saving you from such health issues as back pain. Planking is an effective way to tone your abdominal muscles or six-pack, and can help you get that beach-ready body you are probably looking for. Here are 5 reasons to take plank exercises seriously. 1. They strengthen your core muscles. What are core muscles, you ask? Core muscles are a group of muscles in your body that surround the organs in your abdomen, your spine and your hips. The core muscles are a group of essential muscles that affect your ability to bend and lift up your child, or an item off the floor, for instance. It also affects your ability to bend sideways and rotate, your ability to have strength for holding and releasing urine at will, proper posture and the part of the body commonly known as the abs or six-pack is also affected by a good, strong core. It gives you stability in your body, so that you don't get off balance easily and have the ability to carry your body weight properly. A strong core keeps away back pain and protects your spine from injury. Do you need to properly do such workouts as deadlift or do well at sports? Then you need strong core muscles. The plank can help you achieve that. 2. It improves your posture. So what is posture? Posture refers to the way you hold your body when sitting, standing, laying, and walking. A strong core from planking has as a side benefit, as mentioned before, a good posture. A good posture properly aligns your bones, reducing strain on your joint and bones, and thus prevents such conditions as osteoarthritis. A good posture has positive effects on the health of your spine and promotes healthy, efficient muscle function. An improved posture also positively affects breathing and can help reduce headaches. What about your social life and work? A good posture, which plank exercises can help you get, gives a good impression of confidence on people you interact with, and can boost your confidence. This can have a positive effect on your productivity, career and social life. 3. Planking helps prevent back pain. Due to the advantage of the planking exercise in strengthening the core and improving posture, the spine is protected. It improves the general health of the back and prevents certain types of back pain. Improved posture helps reduce and prevents problems with the back, since it reduces pressure on the vertebrae. Strong core muscles reduce the strain that would otherwise be on the joints, bones and other muscles, and thus makes activities that involve bending or lifting a child, for instance, less of a pain. 4. Planking will improve your metabolism. Plank exercises target many muscles at once, thus, it increases the overall metabolism of the body. Strong muscles indicate that there's a lot of calories burned up when you work out, even when you are at rest. Thus, plank exercises are an effective way to lose those extra pounds. 5. It boosts your mental health. A better mood is one of the advantages of performing planks. Planks help to loosen up the muscles that cause stress and tension in the body, especially if you work a job or engage in an activity that requires you to stand or sit for extended periods of time. Your hips, shoulders, legs, and pelvis are overextended in these poses. Planks help to relieve this stress and promote relaxation. Like and subscribe for interesting information on bodybuilding and healthy living that will be of benefit to you.